Hello and thanks for watching. I'm Larry Humor from Novotech. In this week's blog post, we asked the question, could an IoT solution replace your family dog? Boston Dynamics has recently announced an update to the SpotMini, seen here. Although it's not actually a dog, its resemblance to one is not a coincidence. At a weight of about 65 pounds and a height just under 3 feet, the SpotMini can do a number of different things that your average dog likely cannot do. This includes the ability to pick up and handle different items, which may come in handy for certain applications. The power behind SpotMini is a very impressive display of what IoT can do, using sensors, cameras, and gyroscopes. And this is only one of the company's products. Other products have the ability to go fast on wheels, look and act like humans through whole body movements, work in extremely remote areas under tough conditions, and to run at speeds only topped by Usain Bolt. Going back to SpotMini, one has to wonder if this is the ideal companion for a certain demographic. The aging population will need extra help around the house. Perhaps a future version of SpotMini may be able to help while providing some form of companionship in the meantime. I can't see that happening, as dogs definitely bring their own certain charm. But I think if your shoes got a chance to vote, they would definitely vote in favor of SpotMini. Thanks for watching. I'm Larry Humor. Catch more of our blogs on our YouTube channel.